Right, so let's start by making some matcha tea. So I add a little bit of water at the beginning just to break up any clumps, just to make it a lot easier. And then we top it up, and then we put that to the side. And then we've got half a cup of chia seeds, one 400 milliliter tin of coconut milk. Give it a little whisk. Next is a mango compote. It's 200 grams of frozen mangoes, a little splash of water, and you mash it up. Now the tea is cool, we're going to add that to our chia seeds. Give that another little whisk to like this. Marissa's playing a little cameo. And after half an hour, your chia seeds go thick, like you can see in the video there. And then you just put that into glasses. And if you wanted to with the mango, you can just blend it up into more of a coulis. But I prefer the little chunks, which is why I cooked it on the stove top. So you just cook it and mash it up a bit until you get these nice little chunks. And then that is it. You then add a little bit of Greek yogurt on top. And then if you want, you could add a little dusting of matcha, which I've done here in the pictures. But again, that's more for the presentation really. Or you could also sprinkle some extra fruits, or even the seed mix of like flax. So there's a few more chia seeds, hemp seeds, sunflower seeds, and you could even add some sesame seeds if you wanted to. And that's it. I'll see you next video.